Morning everybody, hope you're all well. I thought I'd let you have a look around this Zodiac that we're doing work on. I mean, as you can see, obviously it's got a new back panelling, that's all sorted out. I mean, I don't know if I think I showed you I'd repaired this bit before, I don't know if I'd showed you that. I mean, also it's got its new back calipers on, and quartering obviously now, it's sealing up and painting here, so I mean we'll stone chip it. I've got these couple of trims left to do for sealant boot. I mean they're really bad for all this, I mean, of these cars, but I mean still it's a new old stock, still a little bit of tidying up because they've been sat about forever, and to be honest, what is it, they're just well, they get a few issues, so there's a little bit stored bad. You might have had to do a bit of a repair on it, but it's no out of ordinary for new old stock stuff, but it's far better than what you could any reproduction. I mean, I've shown you these bits for me, and obviously caliper again. And then I'm on A-post now, and I'm building up some repair bits. I mean, I work in my own way of doing it. I mean, I'll keep you posted on these and let you see them before I do them. I mean, there's that there. Scuttle's quite good underneath, actually, and we've got very little going off on A-post. I mean, there's a bit here, I'll have to cut that out, I said, but it looks like it's had repairs before. I mean, wings got a bit on bottom, but a few bodgy repairs on electrics, but it's no out of ordinary. But we have hit a problem down here on it, which is, if I can get in and show you, I mean, the jacking point is absolutely shot to pieces, so's the inner sill here. I mean, a bit difficult for me to probably see. You can see the holes, but it's usual scenario. I mean, what they've done, this were repaired before. It's like bent floor pan, you know, but they straighten up when you put a jacking point in. But also, if you look down here, right professional repair that's been like that from when it was painted before. I mean, it's pathetic. It's just glass. It's just fiberglassed up. So that's where you're at with that. That's supposed to be somebody doing a repair. I mean, I don't know when this car received its paint job and whatever. Could have been 20 years ago, but that's what you left behind, and you obviously got to sort it. It's an important part. Can't jack car without that. So, and it keeps job right. Another thing with these Fords and all, if you're ever working on them, your hinge here, I mean, they have a little quarter nut on the other side of your bolts. So in a situation where if you want to like set them up from this side just to get tension on, you can use like a quarter socket. You know, I mean, I use it on a quarter drive, quarter socket, and it sounds so. I mean, like when all this is chopped in and flush, I mean, I just build it panel. It's just the way I build them now. You can like set your hinges up roughly with a socket like that. I mean, it's a good pointer for Fords, and I do like it. But I just thought I'd have a quick run round with you because I did you a part one. I mean, this is corrosion we've got here, which has got to be cut out. But I keep jumping on it and doing stuff, and there's a better view for you there. But for all that horror story down on that quartering boot's all nailed now, so car should live for quite a while. So there you go. Anyway, a bit of something for you to watch. Give us a like if you like what I've done. I mean, give us a comment if you want to press a comment. I'll always answer to them, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.